Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your Shopify store by using the really powerful SEO tools from SEO King. We'll jump right into it. This is all about how to do search engine optimization the right way for Shopify. And search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, it's something that literally every single Shopify store owner needs to focus on. It doesn't matter what you're selling, one product, 1,000 products, print on demand, drop shipping, custom products. It doesn't matter. Even if you're selling services, search engine optimization is a must-have, a must-focus for your store. And there's no one trick to winning search engine optimization. You need to employ a variety of strategies. You're going to want to use a variety of different tools. And a really popular strategy right now for Shopify store owners is to use the suite of SEO tools from SEO King to completely dominate search engine optimization. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder with SEO King. But when it comes to doing SEO, there's definitely a lot of pain points that you're going to run into. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify, first of all. So you're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the app that I use. And most apps that are out there for SEO, they are pretty basic in terms of they provide maybe one strategy and one solution for that strategy. You're going to see inside of SEO King, there are a suite of tools that are going to get the job done, employing a variety of different SEO strategies that are working right now. And the really cool part about SEO King and what you want to watch out for is you want to find an app that's going to be easy to use, even if you don't have any SEO experience. You might have never even heard of SEO before you started your Shopify store, or maybe even before this video. But with SEO King, you'll be able to jump right in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over the shoulder and look at SEO King. It's inside the Shopify App Store. You see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. It's got so many different tools. I'm going to walk you through them. So many different tools, so many different strategies for you to dominate search engine optimization, for you to start ranking highly on the search engines, for people to Google terms about your store, your niche, and for you to show up. Right? That's free traffic, free customers, free sales, free money in your pocket with SEO. And that's, again, why you're going to use SEO King. And I'm going to bring SEO King right over here. You see the Shopify app over here. You see a massive 4.7 out of 5 stars, close to that perfect 5 out of 5 star review here, 4.7 on over 1,100 reviews right now. I mean, SEO King, there's a lot that it can do, and it does it all very well. We're going to go over the shoulder. You're going to see how this can turbocharge your online empire by getting great SEO in your store. A lot of different tools here. Huge amount of tools. 35 plus powerful tools, 300 customizable settings to configure everything. You're going to be able to literally master search engine optimization with this app. And this app basically has many apps inside of it in terms of all these different tools here. For example, the photo editor, right? Even using AI to craft content. And this is hugely important in terms of having great content, alt text, meta titles, descriptions, of course, using the latest OpenAI, GPT models, Claude models, right? All that great stuff. Also, keyword research, keyword optimization, right? This is so important. Not only just identifying the keywords that are important, but then creating that keyword-rich content. This is going to happen all inside of this one app. I mean, so many different strategies. Like I said, there's the content SEO strategy, technical SEO strategy, on-site SEO, things that you need to set up with Google Search Console, keywords, right? It's all happening right inside of this tool. There's also a great set of analytics, so you could see exactly what's going on in terms of your rankings and things like that, keywords, and all of the tools that you need, right? Sitemaps, robots.txt, SEO keywords, SERP tracking, which is search engine result placement. So basically, where are you placing on the search engines, right? That's just such a cool part of this tool. And there are other tools that just do SERP tracking, right? Just tell you, okay, you are ranking 3rd for the keywords cat t-shirts, and you're ranking 8th for the keyword cat gifs, right? And obviously, the higher you rank, the better. But that's just one part of this tool. So that's why SEO King, really, it's the #1 app when it comes to having all of these tools to boost your SEO. So all you need to do to get started, there's a free plan available. You go ahead and click the install button. You're going to be able to follow along with me, so go ahead and press the install button. We're going to go over the shoulder in my store. You're going to see how to set this up and how to use these tools. Again, link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Let's go over the shoulder in my store. Once you install the app, you'll be brought over here into your SEO dashboard. And this is going to be your bird's eye view of kind of everything that's going on. Of course, it's going to show things like performance metrics and most popular tools. You can watch the quick start guide, but I'm going to show you kind of exactly what you need to do in terms of getting here. And this is going to be where you're, kind of constantly monitoring what's going on. You got your unique pages, total clicks, page click-through rate, all the kind of information here that's going to be updating as you perform these SEO tasks. First thing you want to check out, SEO checklist, right? They got it right over here. You'll also be able to find things right up inside these menus on the top in this blue bar. You got your SEO checklist. We're going to go over here. This is kind of like your overall SEO health. And you're going to be able to start seeing different items that are, you see, uncompleted, right? Especially if you just installed the app. You'll be able to come over here and literally just click Fix Issues. So the idea here is that we're going to have checklists of things that are done or things that need to be done. And you'll be able to turn those from, uncompleted into completed here. You want to go through your whole checklist, fix as many issues as you can, right? You see literally that we're detecting things as we go in here. You got reports being generated. So a lot is going on as you first install the app. One of the best things and one of the first things that you should be doing over here is your store scan. And this is going to literally scan your entire shop. And you have some settings over here. We're going to turn on meta descriptions, and these are going to basically just add these into the scan. You'll even be able to add things like products, activate if you're using a page builder app. You can kind of take a look through those. I'm not using that, but if you are, you can. Press scan your shop. It's literally going to scan your entire store. It's going to literally create a report about everything. And once this is done, we're going to want to come over here into the next section. I'm going to show you over here. We have our scan issues section. In the scan issues page, this is going to be a detailed breakdown of any problem. And you can kind of go through the different sections of problems. For example, meta, we have meta titles not customized, meta descriptions not customized, photo alts missing. We're literally going to be able to do that all through the tools inside of here. And it even has some good FAQs here so you can kind of start to learn and understand exactly what's going on. We're able to see this on a products, collections, articles, and pages basis. So we're now seeing over here on the collection side of things, same type of errors. I don't use articles on this page, so we're not finding any. Then we also have our pages here, kind of the same issues, right? We have our meta descriptions not being optimized, HTML link titles not created. So again, we'll be able to do all that. We can actually export this in CSV as well if you are a big Excel user like I am. Next, I'll show you up here the SEO editor. And this is kind of where all the magic happens. This is going to be where we're able to actually make big changes that are going to significantly affect our store. And literally, it's going to allow you to do everything. Quickly change things like titles, meta descriptions, URL for all the store pages. Literally, we have it all in here integrated with GPT as well. So we have that powerful AI doing it all on the products, collections, articles, and pages level as well. So you have this in the SEO editor, again, actually making all of those important changes right there. Up here, you're going to be able to find your Google Search Console connection. Over here, you're going to want to make sure that you connect over here. If you're not using Google Search Console, totally free to sign up for that. It's like SEO Tools by Google. It's going to allow you to track your analytics and stuff like that. So you'll be able to integrate that once you sign in there. And it's going to show you a lot of great information over here, like most popular pages, most popular queries, basically some really good analytics that are going to help you understand what's going on more and what you can optimize. Coming over here, talking about optimization, right? Once you have Google authenticated with your Search Console, you'll start to have keyword information as well in terms of what people are clicking on and where you're ranking. Really, really important information over here. Now we have some different sections over here, and I first want to call attention to Optimize All. This can literally let you, in just a couple of clicks, get this all done with basically all of the SEO changes that you configure in here. You get it all done in one click. So you can do something like that where, if you configure everything, just let it all run at once. Otherwise, you do these tools and you kind of pick and choose. So another tool I want to show you, alt text, right? And we actually saw this called out in the report where we were missing some meta description, meta alt information, image alt text. So what we have the ability here is to literally create and update all of your product image alt text. And what is that? Well, it's actually basically part of the code. It helps search engines understand what your photos are about. And obviously, the more optimized they are, the better they're going to rank. So what you want to be able to have happen is all of your images be optimized. And we're going to be able to literally do that in a couple of clicks. You see over here, we have some basic settings over here in terms of how it's going to title and how it's going to create your products and how it's going to look, right? We see our current alt text. There is none. That's actually called out in our report. Now we have our new alt text, right? It's going to go ahead and use our product title, our store name, and some product information. So we're going to go ahead, update a product. And we'll update all products at once. And we can go over here, we test our settings over here, but we're good. So we're going to go ahead and update all of our products with updated alt text. Really cool, no code required, although it is editing the code for us in a way that Google will basically ask for, will want, right? And we always want to do what Google wants so we could rank as highly as possible. So this will get done in just a couple minutes, and then your alt text will be good to go. This is all done, and you see that we have our updating alt text complete message over here, optimized all of our images over here, literally added 164 photo updated alt text. So they generated with AI and created and updated inside of my code all this alt text, literally that powerful, all done in a couple clicks, no technical experience required whatsoever. And it's just one of the many tools that are out here. You see all these different tools in here, see all the abilities to kind of do all this stuff. JSON LD is really cool as well. And it's all the same thing here where we just literally click, pick what we want, and get it done. When you create your paid account, you'll be able to do all of this bulk processing as well, save you just a huge amount of time. Really, really powerful here. SEO King. You could spend a lot of time in here because there's just so many different features, right? And you see other SEO apps on Shopify where they basically just have, one feature. They might have a site scan, or maybe they'll have a sitemap generator as another app, right? All these different huge features built in, the SERP rankings as well, right? Telling you where you rank for specific keywords, integrating with that Google Search Console, all inside here. It's really, really cool. You could also set up auto optimization and all optimizing at the same time. It's really cool. You could turn on auto optimize and just have all of your SEO optimizations run in the background. Really, really cool. SEO King, again, super powerful. So that was SEO King. As you see, incredibly powerful, but also incredibly easy to use. This is a must-have in your Shopify store. This is really the first time where there is a true suite of power-level SEO tools, and you're only going to find it here with SEO King. Highly recommended. You see, like I said, all the different features that are in there and the ease of use, right? Just a couple clicks to get this going. So again, you see the link directly below this video. Get this in your store, follow along with this video, and I really hope this helps you make some money. If you have any questions, post a comment. Otherwise, I'll talk to you real soon.